Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the topic articles a, an, and the. In this video, I will tell you how to use these articles and where to use these articles. Now, open your book on page number 46, chapter 11, articles. But before proceeding, let me tell you what are articles. An article is a word that is used to indicate whether a noun is specific or non-specific. Now look at these examples. He is a good boy. Here we are talking about a boy that is non-specific because we don't know him. In the second sentence, the boy is looking smart. Here we are talking about a boy, some particular boy, some specific boy who is looking smart. As you know that we have three articles a, an, and the. Now look at the page number 47 in your book for rules. You know that articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not refer to particular person, place or thing, and the is a definite article because it refers to a particular person, place or thing. Now let me ask you a question. Do you know how many articles are there? Do you know how many letters are there in our English alphabet? There are 26 letters in our English alphabet. Out of them, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and rest all are consonants like B, D, F, G, and H, and so on. Now let us discuss the use of article an. Article an is always used with singular countable nouns beginning with vowel or vowel sound. Look at these examples. An apple. Here the noun apple is starting with the vowel A. It is giving the sound of A. So here we have used the article an. Number 2. An inkpot. The word inkpot is starting with the vowel I. It is giving the sound of E. So here we have used the article an. Number 3. An elephant. Here the word is starting with the vowel E. It is giving the sound of A. So here we have used the article an. Now come to the use of article a. Article a is always used with singular countable nouns beginning with consonant or consonant sound. Look at these examples. A ball. Here the word ball is starting with the letter B. B is a consonant. It is giving the sound of B. So here we have used the article O. Number 2, a man. Here the word man is starting with the consonant M. It is giving the consonant sound M. So here we have used the article O. Number 3, a pan. Here the word pan is starting with the consonant P. It is giving the sound of consonant P. So here we have used the article O. Now I hope you have understood about the article a and an. But still there are some exceptions. Now look at these exceptions. Number 1. When a word begins with the consonant. Look at these examples. An R. In this noun R, here the H, here the consonant H is silent. It is giving the sound of vowel A. So here we have used the article an. Number 2. An honest man. Here also the word is beginning with the consonant H and H is silent. It is giving the vowel sound O. So here we have used the article an. Number 2. When a word begins with the vowel. A uniform. Here the word uniform is starting with the vowel U. It is giving the y sound, that is consonant sound. So here we will use the article O. A unicorn. Here also the word unicorn is starting with the vowel U, but it is giving the consonant sound yo. So here we have used the article O. Number 3, a one-eyed man. Here also the word is starting with the letter O, that is a vowel, but it is giving the consonant sound V. So here we also use the article O. Now I will tell you about the definite article the. We use article the with the specific person, place or thing. Look at this example. I ate a pear, the pear was sweet. In this sentence, I ate a pear, we are talking about a pear for the first time. So here we have used the article a. In the next sentence, the pear was sweet. Here I am talking about the same pear for the second time. So here I have used the article the. Now I will tell you more about the use of article the. We use article the with the names of unique things like the sun, the earth, with the names of holy books like the Ramayana, the Bible, with the names of rivers, mountains, seas and oceans like the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, with the names of newspapers like the Hindustan Times, with the names of directions like the east, the west. Now I hope all have understood about the article the. So in this video you have learned about the articles a, an and the, how to use it and where to use it. Now follow up the Snap Homework schedule and solve the exercises related. Thank you.